Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to run Unreal Engine on Linux. In this version I use Unreal Engine 5.3.0. Let me show you that. Okay, so I download the Unreal Engine, and then for the first thing you have to do, if you are using Linux, I would suggest that you do not right click everything here. It's dangerous, so I would recommend you to run it in terminal. So it's better to do command line extract. So I cd into the directory that I want it to extract, and then I do unzip. After that, you simply just drag and drop the Unreal Engine file and then press enter, and then wait for the rest of your life until it's already extracted. Otherwise it will crash. If you suddenly right click it here, any file more than 10 GB will crash the system. I have tested that with many Linux distro ranging from Rail based, Debian based, Manjaro, Arch Linux, all the same. So especially with Linux Mint and LMD, these two distro tend to cause problem. It crash. Pop OS also crash, and Debian doesn't crash. I'm using mxlinux. As you can see, this is the proof that everything is mxlinux. I'm not lying, and I'm running on a Origin PC with AMD 3950X, the old machine long time ago, with 16 thread 32 core, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and the old graphic card of RTX 70 Max-U a long time ago. It's no more updated. The version driver that is supported mainly and purely is 525. Do not go to 535 and 545. You tend to have some glitch, not noticeable but certain glitch down the line. So after you do the unzip and everything, cut the crap shot, I suggest that you exit from root and become a normal user, right? And then you do a cd to the directory that you want to install, that you want to launch. In this case, as you can see in here, this is the actually Bridge. Bridge has a small engine here, and then I don't extract engine because it might cause problem, so I extract the plugin, then I put the plugin here. So I don't think I need Bridge anymore. And then what I have to do next is to copy this Bridge. I put it directly into the engine, into the plugin folder. Voila, there is no Bridge here, so I pass the Bridge in. Control V. That means it doesn't allow me to pass the Bridge, so all I have to do is to come back here before I launch. I'm sorry. So I need to plug in. I need to become root again, just to be safe. Sudo cp-r, and then I copy the Bridge. I will come back to engine. I will come back to plugin, drag and drop. This is the only way that Bridge can go and live with the other, so I have to do command. I don't care, I just give all the root permission. One thing, I just want to make sure that if my hard drive is working or not. I only just want to copy this one, and nope, I want to make sure everything works. If it doesn't work, then it's going to be a big problem for me. Here's Control V. Fine, okay. And then this is the Unreal Engine. I put it here. So now the Bridge work. You have to exit it. You have to cd, go into engine, go into binary, go to Linux, drag and drop it here. Press into, no, not there, here. And then you type / Unreal Editor. There used to be some problem long times ago when the engine run and the UI doesn't scale correctly, the UI scale wrongly. But this time the 5.3 release directly from website Unreal Engine, it's fixed all of those. So I go to the first person shooter. I'm not an Unreal Engine guy. I use Unreal Engine to test the product, test the stuff. I'm a developer, but I'm not really into kind of develop thing. I'm just more of a visionary strategy and everything with my team for education. But you cannot lie, I know. So you see, this time everything scaled correctly. I'm running on a Dell 3K view on my monitor, and it scaled perfectly. It doesn't become like stupid bigger UI like before. That's mean the Unreal Engine community has already compiled and make it work. At the time of recording is 5.3.0, not 5.3.2. 5.3.2 caused a lot of problem. It doesn't run, it crash. I tested with various distro, Debian base, which include Pop OS, mxlinux, Linux Mint, LMD6, with OpenSUSE variant from Tumbleweed to the latest Immutable, whatever micro OS, and with Fedora, with Nobara, all the same thing, cause a problem. Arch Linux, I don't use it because yeah, I don't like Arch, and I decided to use mxlinux because it's fast, it's lightweight, and it serves the purpose. So everything that I need for, especially it's a one-to-one compatibility with Debian, plus a lot of feature, a lot of easy stuff for us to make it work. So if you have a problem of UI scaling, you can go to tool, and then you go down to tool. This is what I hate the most. Go to debug, go to widget reflector. There you can test with this part, and you can make it small, you can make it big. Yeah, if it come like that, you see. Yeah, so one is perfect for me. I don't know, just type one. Yep, missing project is missing, I don't care, and I can save for the sake of whatever save. So if you can test like control spacebar to see if everything works, it does work with the whatever call, I don't know, control spacebar to put it back. So the bridge plugin that I just installed, I want to make sure if it works. Then I come here to build. I don't see bridge here. Tool, no, I think it's supposed to be here. Yeah, Quixel Bridge, come on, it will, right? Let's see. Boom, because I have already updated Y launcher. Nice, nice. Okay, fail, yeah, whatever. So sign in, yeah, sure. Sign in with Unreal. My internet is not like super fast, or I don't know if it works. So this is my email, in case you want to tag me for whatever resources. So I sign in, and then the password, really, and boom, ta-da. Yep, update Y launcher. So now, yep, it worked, preference and everything. So Quixel Bridge work, guys, and you can go to 3D asset, and voila. Oh, you have chicken. Wow, I never know that. Let me download this one. You have grill. Whoa, they update a lot. And in fact, I have never touched this for a long time. So grilled chicken here. Nice, nice. Okay, now let it download. We come back to this one. Press launch. I'm sorry, this might be, yep, it might hurt a lot. Yep, because I'm recording, and also I have a very small graphic card, yeah, you can imagine, 2070, sorry, RDX. Yeah, guys, it worked, all worked fine. This is one go for you. Press escape, and then I save the project just in case I have a problem down the line. So I come back here, it's running, and then I will make a mxlinux already install a menu editor for me to launch. I think if you don't have that, it's better to install install. Yeah, French words. A la carte. Yeah. You install it and then you have this. This one is menu libre, but a la carte is better. It's faster. I really hate this. So I would go to the graphic card, the graphic section. You see, I have Substance Painter. I don't use at all. I just want to test it. 99.9% I use open source, and then it's my daily driver. I don't use Windows. I don't use Mac. I click on this one, launcher. I call this one UE5 3, yeah. And then I click browse the file. I choose the file that I just downloaded earlier. Yeah, this one. Ta-da! It's nice and cool. And then the command. The command should be the location of the Unreal Engine that you have already extracted in Engine, Binary, Linux. You have to scroll down to Unreal Editor. Not Lib Unreal, it's Unreal Editor. Go for it. You see it? See it? Here, Unreal Editor. Press OK. In the case where you don't see anything or it doesn't allow you to launch, I would suggest you to close parentheses, to close this whatever, I don't know, and then you type $%F. Then it will allow you to create a shortcut to launch for most applications. But this you don't need to do that. It's run. So you click. If this save icon doesn't allow you to click save, just do like what I said. Click save, close it, and then you come back to, because I'm on the second monitor, go to graphic, and then yeah, Unreal Engine, I added to panel. You might not see it because it's on the monitor one on my laptop. So, and then I click the icon. I don't need, you see, I click the icon and run. That's mean I don't need to launch it from terminal again. Save me tons of time, and it's work. I just click the, I think I have a first project here. Let me click my project here, open to see if it works. And it is a recent project. Click this one. You don't have, as when I don't save. Okay, browse my project, open. Yeah, I'm sure it worked. You see, Unreal Engine 5.3.0. It worked fine. So here's if you are planning to run to install like install something like DaVinci. I don't think it worked because DaVinci doesn't support older driver. Yeah, it supports latest driver. So everything worked fine, dude, and bro, and brother, sister, the hell, wherever you are. And then yep, it's nice. I'm just like I told you, I'm not Unreal Engine guy, so I'm a Maya guy back then. Yeah, back then, not now. Okay, now I use Blender mainly. So yep. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you brothers and sisters. Yeah, enjoy your Unreal Engine on Linux. It's run absolutely fine and fast, and you can build things faster if you have NVIDIA card like 4098. Oh man, that's gonna be extremely fast. Use laptop. No one use desktop anymore. Thank you and enjoy your day. Bye bye and